متن سبسكرايب لايك كم شير المقدار حجزنا أهم.
Hey everyone, welcome back to EdTube. Today we've got a packed episode filled with the latest news and updates. We'll be covering a variety of topics, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content. Like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in.
This is one of the biggest classic suits for more or less for all the sprinters, because it's more or less you have a long day, but it's less hilly. So I think it's also for me suits me really well. So like you mentioned, I already have a top 10 here, so that means this race is more possibility to have a good result. So let's hope this year also to do the same.
And then Girmay for Intermarché. Who's going to be the fastest? It's a 4-up sprint, and here we go. It's Girmay to launch it from a long way. Girmay does launch the sprint. Right side, 250 to go when he hit the front. And Pinion Girmay's there at the front. Pinion Girmay is staying. Can they come off his wheel? It doesn't look like it. Girmay's going to the line. Girmay's going to the line. Pinion Girmay makes history. And Pinion Girmay breaking down barriers. What a story here in Wevelgem. He was the man who launched it. 250 metres to go. Caught them all napping. So much about the ability this guy has as well. He's a natural on the cobbles, as we've seen, but shooting for the other side of the road. Nobody in his slipstream. Girmay takes the win. 21 years of age. And making history. Africa has a cobbled classic. And tonight, Belgium belongs to Pinion. One of the oldest, most prestigious races in cycling goes to the new nation making waves. Second for Laporte.
على امتداد اللحظة التاريخية الهامر الثناء وعلى الخدود العاشقات السمر ملحمة البلاد، وفوق أجنحة التراب المستديم هي سفرنا الآتي هو الجسر القديم من خطوة الشعب الإلهي المعمد بالعذابات الحرون. إنها أحلام أمة.
قملي هويو عرب ميت حليل علي بوني مهلة علي النهن مسكين قملي هويو قملي هويو قملي هويو
سبسكرايب لايك كم أشياء مقدار حقوزنا أهم
فرهاوي نبيها شيبنا خلت كريت مدرنا ساتهم ساتنا غسنا من العلم لسما لجاربنا عايا علوم حنا دي بعسترو من حد بلا بحر لمننا المقراب حنا دي بلا بحرو من العلم لسما لجاربنا عايا علوم حنا دي من حسب لبحر لمننا المقرات نديم لبحرو وبر مثلنا مفتوناتا بر مثلنا مفتوناتا شاكا من ضحك لنا برو شيبنا كل الكريم